In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe Illustrator when it's not responding. Frustrating, right? You're in the middle of a design project and suddenly Adobe Illustrator freezes. It's an all too common issue, but the good news is there's a simple fix that only takes a few minutes. So let's get started and have your Illustrator running smoothly again. First things first, we need to open the Task Manager. You can think of it as a window into all the processes and applications currently running on your computer. To open it, simply use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+ESC on your keyboard. This is a quick way to bring up the Task Manager without sifting through your Start menu. Once it pops up, take a moment to get familiar with what's listed. It's usually organized to show you all the apps that are currently active. Now, you're going to want to find Adobe Illustrator in this list. Sometimes, depending on how many applications you have open, it might take a bit of scrolling. Once you find Illustrator, usually under the Apps section, click on it to highlight it. Highlighting it makes sure you're focusing on the application you want to address. Next up, with Illustrator highlighted, you're going to click on the End Task button. You'll see this button in the bottom right corner of the Task Manager. Clicking End Task will close Illustrator even if it's become unresponsive. Don't worry about losing your work immediately. Illustrator is pretty good at recovering unsaved work when you next open it. However, it's always best practice to save regularly to avoid losing any crucial updates to your designs. With Illustrator closed now, what you're going to do next is simple, yet crucial. Relaunch Adobe Illustrator. Go back to your usual method of opening Illustrator through its icon, whether it's via a shortcut on your desktop or from your Applications menu. Restarting the program essentially gives it a fresh slate to operate smoothly. You'll likely see it fire up a bit more swiftly now that you've cleared out the stuck processes. Often, a quick reset like this will resolve minor hiccups that can happen when the program runs for extended periods or handles multiple tasks at once. By now, you should see Adobe Illustrator back up and functioning properly, letting you continue with your creative projects without significant interruption. And there you have it, a straightforward reset that lets you tackle Illustrator's unresponsiveness with ease. Remember, these quick fixes can save you a ton of time and frustration, so don't hesitate to use this process whenever you experience issues. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.